Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and this is one of my small projects that I work on from time to time. This is a liquor store and food in my home city. And what's going to happen, we're going to do some repairs here. This is the rear. Um, then over here, we had storm and water damage. These walls are being cleaned up and repairs. Then we're going to need a stair to the second level. And that's where it is in the world, basically. But, yeah, so this is our next little project. There's the other side of it. So as you can see, there's, don't really know what's up there, but we got to get a stair in here, and there's 2 apartments up here. So now what we'll do is we're going to Revit, excuse me, and I sort of laid out the basement. So this will be the basement plan. And it's pretty simple basement. There's just a few walls here, and it's sort of broken up into partitions, but I'm not going to focus on the basement because this is going to be an interior project mostly. Thank you for all the new subscribers. So now, excuse me, got a little cold. We're going to level 1 here. And I sort of laid out the windows indoors. So here, let's go to dimensions. Go individual references for entire walls and hit options and do openings. Select this. You got those. Just to give you the dimensions of what's going on here. Then we got something going on up there. So from this point, we have our first level, and of course this door was sort of blocked out, I do recall. And so just to get us going here, we have our first level layout. This is going to be the entry area, and I think the counter is going to be here. And then let's go and have a look at this in elevation here. Let's look at our north. So I've kind of got the top on here, just getting it started. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue with this. I'm going to give me a cup of tea to deal with this cold I've got coming on. And as close as we can get to the building, this is what it's going to look like. So right now, I've got the first level kind of done. And then we're going to come back here and work on the second level. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Yeah, this is a quick little video. It's going to be a cheer job. These little small projects I get from time to time, and most of the time you don't get paid. Maybe I get something from YouTube on it. But hey, I'm just joking. And then this is going to be a section through here. So we got a basement. It's just a regular 8-foot deep basement. But anyway, guys, just to get started here, I want to show you this next project. We got a lot of work on this guy, the roof, and then we're going to redo the entire level 1, and this is going to be basically a convenience store, local liquor and convenience store. So we'll continue on in the next video. I'll finish out the details of the layout. If anybody come over to design or suggestion, put it in the comment section. But I just want to come here And let's see what our elevations look like. So this is going to be our north. The east will be the front of the store. We got to do the upper level with the apartment. And the west is the back here. There's some stuff going on. So we got a little ways to go. I just want to get everybody started where we're going with this. It's going to be a quick little project that we can do in a couple of videos, maybe 3 or 4 videos, because I've been busy lately and I'm not focusing on a lot of things with my Revit because I'm using MicroStation now. I'm working in my job, my full-time job is MicroStation, which is cool. I may even start MicroStation training. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. This is our next project, and we're going to go in and remodel this. We're going to turn this into something beautiful. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe, and we'll finish our first level in the next one and do the interiors here. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.